Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to play Ark Raiders on your PS4 or PS5. So basically, I'm just showing you how to purchase it off of your mobile phone or any web browser. So in this case, we're on PC and using a web browser. So just go to playstation.com, and then once you're here, just sign in first, of course. On the top right corner of your screen, you will see a blue button here. Just click on it and then sign it with your account. And then once you're here, you can just click PS5. You're on PS5, just click on games. And you can just scroll down and search for Ark Raiders. Alternatively, you can just search it here on the top right corner of your screen. Search for Ark Raiders. Press enter, and then the result will be here. So basically, you just click add to cart and then proceed with your purchase. So basically, that's it.